All right, good morning. I put a skid plate on this 23 F-150, and now I'm going to do a tank skid plate. That's what the project is. I want to show you how I have the truck blocked and jacked for the fuel tank. I just unboxed the fuel tank skid plate. This is how it arrived. The other brackets I mentioned, as you can see, they're very different. So if you have a original truck, you're going to need to buy these brackets from RCI. Okay, so I'm back underneath, and I can see how this strap is going to go in here and turn and lock. It's self-locking. What I'm doing right now is trying to figure out what this size bolt is. All right, I'm under the truck, rolling towards the front. You see how there's not a place to put anything here? This is a factory bracket, and I had to buy brackets for the skid plate. It's an RCI. There's the fuel tank. Again, you'll see the difference here in a little bit. Got my floor jack, I got a block. I'm assuming it's all gonna work. This is my first time. I got a different idea here. Let's see. I think that'd be good enough. Okay, I'm gonna go back underneath and take off at least one bracket. I don't own any power tools, never have. I'd like to try it someday. Sure, this will be edited. Okay, it's free now. We'll edit this so you don't have to watch all that.
2 hours later.
Done. Jeez. No. Come on. It's real important that this comes out properly and with ease, because look, it's hitting my drive shaft. Oh, man. All right. That's a win. I call that a victory. Okay. Earring on the side of caution. I'm going to do one at a time. Yeah. I like it. All right, come on now. Show me what you got. Oh, that's good enough. Oh, these things different? Huh. Okay, I just got lucky. These things are different, so pay attention to that. I'm back into the truck. I want to try to show you this. So that part there is going to go towards the front of the truck. I don't know how much you're going to see, but I'll leave the video camera running. I'm just going to get it on here and go down. Take a look. Take a look at the other side. Got here, 1/2 inch. I'm just gonna snug it up, keep it loose, and then make a check. It looks like that's the way it's going to be, so I'm going to tighten it down. Oops. Good. Get that socket flat. Done.